Markate doesn't use a simple fixed public price list because its monthly cost depends on the number of users and which field service tools you include in your setup. That means the actual monthly bill changes depending on how big your service business is and how much you automate. By the end, you'll know how Markate pricing works, what features affect the cost, and whether it's actually one of the cheapest options or just positioned that way on the surface. Markate is field service management software built for small service businesses like cleaning companies, HVAC techs, lawn care, and handyman services. It combines CRM, scheduling, invoicing, estimates, and customer communication in one system. The pricing is tied to how much of that system you actually use. The first factor that affects cost is users. Every team member who needs access, whether that's technicians in the field or office staff handling scheduling and invoices, adds to the total monthly cost. A solo operator will always sit at the lowest cost range, while a growing team increases the price as access expands. The second factor is feature usage. Basic setups usually include scheduling jobs, managing customers, and sending invoices. More advanced use includes automation like recurring reminders, follow-up messaging, and integrated job workflows. The more you automate your operations, the more you're paying for a system that replaces manual admin work. The third factor is how fully you run your business inside the platform. Some companies only use Markate for invoicing or scheduling. Others use it as the central system for everything from lead tracking to job completion. That deeper usage usually pushes businesses into higher pricing tiers because it reduces the need for separate tools. In practice, Markate is often positioned as a cost-effective option for small service businesses that want to move away from spreadsheets and phone-based scheduling. The value comes from reducing missed jobs, improving follow-ups, and keeping customer communication in one place instead of scattered across apps and messages. For very early-stage businesses with low job volume, even a lower-cost software setup can feel unnecessary if manual methods still work. But once jobs start stacking up, missing appointments or losing track of customers becomes more expensive than the software itself. So here's the summary. Markate pricing depends on users, features, and how fully you use the system. Costs increase as you add automation and team members. It's generally positioned as one of the more affordable field service tools for small businesses. Next step is simple. Look at how you currently track customers, jobs, and invoices. Then check how many of those steps Markate would replace so you can judge if it's actually saving money or just shifting costs. If you want more straight comparisons of field service software without marketing language, subscribe for more clear breakdowns.